page 447. So this page right here. Alright. Remember, there's two ways to find slope. You can use this. Rise over run. Down 5 over 1. So the slope should be -5. Let's prove it using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Y2 is, this is x1, y1, x2, y2, 5 minus 10 over 4 minus 3, which is -5 over 1. So m is -5. Okay, so I'm going to use, it doesn't matter, both numbers are good, 4 and 5. So that y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. This is point slope. Y minus 5 equals to -5 parentheses x minus 4. Okay, y minus 5 equals to -5x plus 20. Add 5, add 5. You get y equals to -5x plus 25. So your y-intercept, this is point slope, slope-intercept. Your slope-intercept is 0, 25. That's your y-intercept. So you can see it's going to go and meet somewhere at 0, 25, way up there. Okay? It's a negative slope going down, so that's correct. And it matches our thing. So always check to make sure everything is correct. If you have time. Okay, number 6. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so my slope is going up to 3 over 1. So up 3 over 1. So slope is 3. Let's prove it using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Uh-oh. So that is 5 minus 2 over 3 minus 2. Y2, that's for these two. And then this here and this here is for these two. Okay? That gets you 3 over 1, or slope, like I say, is 3. I'm going to use 2, 2. 2, 2 sounds good. 2, 2. Okay, so y minus y1, point slope, we start out, m parentheses x minus x1. Okay, let's substitute it in. Y minus 2, this is x1, y1, equals to 3 parentheses x minus 2. Distribute 3x minus 6 equals to y minus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Cancel that out. Y equals to 3x minus 4. Okay, point slope, slope-intercept for this one here, point slope for that one. Okay, your y-intercept is 0, -4. This is y-intercept right there. Okay, next page, back page of your page. Determine the y-intercept, right? Slope write the intercept as a coordinate. Same thing. Some more of the same. I should have you graph these. That's the next problem, though. Okay, basically you can choose any two. I'm going to choose the first two as x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so I think I wiped these out on yours. I'm going to do the slope here. Minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M equals 34 minus 25 over 9 minus 6. So that is, my slope is 9 over 3, or just 3 over 1. That's my slope. Okay. I'm going to use 6 and 25 as my ordered pair, as x1, y1, y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1 point slope. Y minus 25 equals to 3 parentheses x minus 6. Okay, that's 3x minus 18 equals to y minus 25. Point slope right here. Add 25, add 25. That's 7 right here. 3x minus, add 7 because it's a positive 7. So my y-intercept is 0, 7. I think most of you know how to do this, hopefully. A few of you that don't. I like 10 and 15. And 4 and 12 is good. x1, y1, x2, y2. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Slope formula. Okay. y2 is 15 minus 12 over 10 minus 4. It's 3 over 6, or reduced to 1/2. And I'm going to use 10 and 15 as my number. Okay. Y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. I'm going to keep the color. Minus 15 equals to 1/2 parentheses x minus 10. Okay, distribute. 1/2 x, 1/2 times. Now this is a negative because it's a positive, and a negative is a negative. Times 10. Cross cancel. 5. So that's a 5 there. Y minus 15. Add 15. Add 15. It's a positive 10. 1/2 x equals to y. So my y-intercept is 0, 10. This is your y-intercept. Point slope and slope-intercept. Okay. What page? Okay. Started out on this page, right? Yeah. So these are my last problem. Okay. Oh well, they both look ugly. We'll use these. 10 and 20. x1, y1, x2, y 2. I need to finish this.
Okay.
Check it on your dad's. It needs.
You can bring it to me.
It says that you need something. He needs to check his Clash of Clans. M equals y2 minus y1. Your village is being attacked. That's what it is. x2 minus x1. People are dying. Negative 78 minus a negative 38 over x2. No more golfing, Daddy. Minus 10, okay? These two numbers, the x's. This equals negative 78 plus 38 over 10. 40? Yeah, negative 40. So slope is negative 40 over 10, or just negative 4. That is my slope. Important number. Yeah. Now, I'm doing this because I'm double checking my math, making sure it's right, because if your slope is wrong, it is all wrong. So be careful, make sure your slope is right. Okay? And finish. Most of you get this pretty well. You just mixed up your vocabulary. And read. It's very important to read it with Common Core. Read everything carefully. Y minus, okay, which one? Oh, I'll choose the 10 and the negative 38. Oh. This is a negative 38, so be careful on that negative 38. That change that to a positive 38 equals to negative 4 parentheses x minus 10 there. Okay? Be careful that it's double negative makes a positive. Distribute, that's negative 4x plus 40 equals y plus 38. Okay? Minus 38, minus 38. Cancel that out. Y equals to negative 4x plus 2. Okay? Slope, point slope, and slope intercept. This is point slope, and this is slope intercept. Remember that, please. Important to know your vocabulary here. So, y-intercept is 0, 2. Y-intercept, all of you know, is right here, 0, 2.